Some colleagues at work and few friends of mine have asked me how do I manage to balance highly demanding job in the top company while having a family and a kid. I reflected and smiled by knowing that the work-life balance is not easy at the beginning. One step towards this balance was when I started to embrace the few of main Dutch work habits. Of course, thanks to my Dutch colleague and their Dutch culture, I was able to concentrate on my work. Hi, I am Tina. In this video, I am going to talk about how Dutch work habit has improved my work-life balance. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. It will boost my energy. If you are an international who enters or will enter to the Dutch labor market, I can tell you that it is very overwhelming and challenging to work in the Dutch work environment. Moreover, you may encounter some Dutch colleagues who are cold and serious, but these behavior are their coping mechanism against their intensity of work, including family life. Once you master these Dutch work habits, even if you are not working in Netherlands, you will have work-life balance easily. Let me share you these Dutch work habits as per my personal experience and observations. So let's get started. First point is Dutch separates their professional and private lives. Dutch people have very clear separation between work and family times, which is very much respected in the Netherlands. Moreover, during the working hours between 9 to 5 p.m. on weekdays, Dutch mostly dedicate their time for work, not for socialization or making friends. So if you are a person, especially an international, who expect to make deeper friends with Dutch on work, you have to pass many obstacles and probably might get disappointed in the end, because the main priority for the Dutch at work is to work. And most of the Dutch people avoid social media during working hours like Facebook and Instagram, but some of them also use LinkedIn as their socialization or networking purpose. My second point is Dutch love taking many breaks at work. One thing I appreciated the number of breaks they take during the work. For instance, Dutch love taking mini coffee breaks like 2-3 times a day and have a lunch walk in the afternoon. These breaks majorly spent on chatting and making a social connection with the colleagues. During the lunch hour, a group of colleagues together take a walk outside to eat bread and breathe fresh air. These walks provides employee to let go their stress and think out of the box and return to the office refreshed. Occasionally there will be like a borrel drink with colleagues time. This is a good time to socialize with colleague regardless their position in the company. So my third point is Dutch takes yearly vacation to achieve work-life balance. May is the favorite month of employee because in this month they receive holiday allowance. The Dutch employers gives vacation allowance to stimulate their employees to go on vacation and get rejuvenate and get relief from the stress of work which they accumulated throughout the year. In addition of vacation money, employees also get paid vacation leaves. Companies do not do this out of charity, but the ample scientific studies have proven that the employees take a vacation become more productive. Hence, employees happily take this benefit and vacation to go anywhere around the world. So my fourth point is Dutch likes to organize their time punctually and systematically. Dutch people give high value to time. Many Dutch people consider the time as a most valuable resource in life. By being punctual, Dutch always start and end on time whether it's a meeting with colleague, class lectures, or job interviews. Being late or absent is not tolerated unless there is a valid reason such as sickness. The Dutch have the saying, "Tijd is geld," which translates as time is money. So it means the Dutch consider if they waste time, it means they are wasting money. So my fifth point is Dutch people can opt for short working hours. If you are selected in Dutch company, then congratulations. Probably next thing you need to think is how many hours you want to work in a week. Most Dutch companies offer flexible working hours based on full-time equivalent workload. The normal working hours is 30 to 40 hours. So if you want to work 4 days in a week or 5 days in a week, 8 hours per day or 9 hours per day, you can choose that, and that will affect a lot to maintain work-life balance. And Dutch people know that you have family and you want to spend some more time to yourself. So this was very important habit that led me to work-life balance. And also in Netherlands, employees are just based on their output, not on their inputs. So as opposed to most Asian countries where number of working hours shows the dedication to the company, but here the Dutch people only wants their job to get done. So it was very, very important I will say, like, it's a mindset to get their job done and led to the work-life balance. So these were some important Dutch work habits that led me to get work-life balance. And if you want to add some more and give some your suggestions on it, then please comment to my video and give a like button if you like my video, and also you can click the dislike button if you didn't like my video. And please subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.